Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F54 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. Then scroll down again. Click on Font Size and Style and operate this slider in order to adjust text size. You can check out preview above. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!